Hi there, and today we're talking about 5 foods that destroy your skin collagen, age you faster. You might have heard or read about how processed and sugary food have an impact on your health. However, you might not know that sugar and unhealthy food can destroy your skin collagen and age you faster. Many studies have shown that a poor diet can also cause all kinds of reactions in your skin, including dehydration, irritation, and blemishes. Any food that causes inflammation and results in your skin irritation damages the collagen in your skin, resulting in lines, wrinkles, and sagging. If you don't eat well, you could cause your skin to age prematurely. Here are 5 foods to avoid if you want to keep your skin looking radiant, youthful, clear, and hydrated. But before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and put the notification bell. Do not miss any of my video. Are you ready? Number 1 is sugar. Sugar. If you have a sweet tooth, like many of us, you might be unhappy to learn that sugar can cause redness and irritation in your skin, as well as degrading elastin and collagen. Collagen and elastin are responsible for keeping your skin soft, smooth, simple, and firm. If you're growing something sweet, protect your skin by skipping candy, dessert, and excess sugar in smoothie, yogurt, cereal, and protein bars. Instead, choose dark chocolate. It's a good option, yes? Or natural sugar in fresh fruits. It's really very good. It may take some getting used to, but your clear, youthful skin will thank you. You must avoid simple carbs. This is number 2. Foods like white rice, white pasta, rice cakes, white bread, popcorn, and other simple carbohydrates are quickly converted to glucose. Just like sugar, this causes your blood sugar to shoot up, while the glucose attacks the collagen in your skin. Anything that damages collagen causes the skin to lose elasticity and firmness, while also causing fine lines and wrinkles to form more quickly. Number 3 is dairy. Dairy has long been touted for its calcium content, but dairy has long been thought that it's calcium content, but it's not so great to your skin. This is in part because milk can be full of artificial growth hormones that like their way into your blood, ultimately affecting hormone and insulin levels. This can cause irritation, excess oil production, and even cystic blemishes. If you're cooking on dairy, stick with organic dairy and make sure you're not consuming too much. Blemishes can be a sign that you are consuming more dairy than your body can handle. Number 4, caffeine. Caffeine gets many of us going in the morning, but because it's diuretic, it dehydrates your skin. Skin that lacks adequate hydration doesn't retain the plump, luminous look of young, healthy skin. The dehydration that bumps your skin can even exaggerate fine lines and wrinkles, and cause the skin to sag, making you look older. But don't despair. Don't despair. There's evidence that the polyphenols in could lead to skin that resists age spot and look younger longer. To enjoy the benefits of coffee without the effect of dehydration, drink plenty of water between cups of coffee and even the day. Also avoid adding cream or never put sugar in your coffee, as both dairy and sugar have adverse effect on your skin as well. Number 5. Processed packaged food. This is probably the least surprising item in the list, but one of the most important to avoid when it comes to skin. Processed and packaged food rarely contain much nutrition, and they're generally made with excess salt and sugar, plus preservatives and other ingredients the average person doesn't know how to pronounce. Their food case spikes in your blood sugar, leading to excess oil production and clogged pores, and damaging the collagen in your skin, causing premature aging. The excess salt also causes dehydration, which makes lines, wrinkles, and sagging skin more obvious. To protect your skin's health and keep it looking youthful and radiant, it's essential to keep skin hydrated and properly nourished. What you put in your body affects the way your skin looks and feels, so feed and healthy foods that don't cause adverse reaction. In general, organic whole food will other the most benefits for your skin without causing problems. When you do choose to consume foods that are bad for your skin, do so in small amount, and then do when you can to counteract the negative effects that can mean drinking more water or supplementing with best vitamins for skin that help reinforce the support your skin. Learn about intermittent fasting. Learn also about intermittent fasting. This way to keep your body, skin, and health the perfect condition till you're 100. Fasting or intermittent fasting are the best way to keep your skin look youthful and healthy. Do you like this video? Put comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next video. Bye for now.